Hello, beginning linear algebra students. Section 2.3 of the book Linear Algebra with Applications, which is an open educational resource at this website, which I will provide the link below, had a really interesting homework question, number 35. So it says, an auto parts manufacturer makes fenders, hoods, and doors. Each part requires assembly and packaging carried out in factories 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then we're going to have a couple matrices that just wouldn't fit on the page. So the hours needed right here for matrix A and the cost per hour, matrix B. And if we multiply A times B, we see we have a 3 by 2 times a 2 by 3. And since the 2's are the same, we can actually go ahead and multiply these together, and that will give us a 3 by 3 matrix. And what was interesting is the assembly and packaging are the same right here, just like the 2's that were the same. So when we actually multiply A and B, we'll have fenders, doors, and hoods, and we'll have plant 1, plant 2, plant 3. And here's our 3 by 3 matrix right here. So the first question is, explain the meaning of the 3, 2 entry right here. So that would be bottom row right in the middle, which is basically the cost of producing hoods at plant 2. So that includes the assembly and packaging. To actually find out what the number is, we're going to use the dot product. We're multiplying the first row times the second, or the third row times the second column. So here's the third row, second column, 10 times 18 plus 2 times 10 equals 200. Now this is not the answer. We need to actually put it in terms of something that means a little bit more. Like, it costs $200 to assemble and pack, so that's the assembly and packaging, a hood at plant 2. Now, the next question was, which plant is the most economical to operate? Give reasons. So I'm going to go to Desmos and put in A and B and do the multiplication that way. Okay, Desmos.com. I've got to make sure I've got it in the right order. For example, if I did B, A, I only have a 2 by 2. So let me clear that. It has to be in the order A, B to give us that 3 by 3. And here's the number 200, which I calculated by hand. And it says which plant is the most cost effective. So if you look at fenders, it looks like plant 2. And if you look at doors, it looks like plant 2. Look at hoods, it looks like plant 2. So it looks like plant 2 is the most cost effective because the prices are lower for each for the hoods, fenders, and doors. All right, hope that helps with that homework question.